So the difference between a lift kit and a leveling kit is pretty much in the name. The lift kit is actually going to lift the vehicle up, everything but the frame of the truck. So it's going to lift everything up, and a leveling kit is just going to level the vehicle. So in a vehicle, mostly trucks, they're going to have what is called a rake. So the vehicle is actually going to kind of sit downhill with the rear end up higher and the front end aimed down low. That's more for when you're carrying weight. That way it can actually sit level, or help it sit more level when you're carrying weight. But a lot of people don't use the trucks for carrying weight, so they actually just want to make that truck look level without anything in it. So they're going to level the truck. So you're actually going to put a spacer in the front and raise that up so the truck is actually sitting level. So that is going to be your main difference between leveling a truck and lifting a truck.